Hi, Tarot Treasures. It's Ethany, and it's Friday, which means it's a First Impressions Friday day. And the deck I have for you today is called The Art of Kundalini, and it actually comes in two separate little pouch or two separate thingies. Wow, parts would probably be a good word there, Ethany. When you order it, you get the box, which comes flat pack, which you can use and it comes in an organza bag. Now I found this as I find most of my decks. Most of my decks, honestly, people ask me, where do you find all these decks? I follow a lot of hashtags on Instagram because I'm on there a lot. If you hadn't noticed, if you're not following me on there. For Love of Cards on Facebook, I find a lot of them on Facebook groups as well, but that's a great one because Amber always seems to have her fingers well and truly on the pulse of new decks that are coming out. But to be honest, Instagram is where I find a lot of my decks. Lionhearts has a great tarot challenge that they do every month, and you will find people using all sorts of decks. So if you're like me and you're a collector and someone who uses multiple decks in their practice and who also likes to spread the word of indie creative decks and mass-produced decks to show people what they get, then Instagram is a great place to be. Hide your credit card or get someone to change your passwords to stuff, because I'm terrible, especially at 3 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, I digress. This is by Anna Bartz, and she is an Australian author, Australian artist, I believe. I remember, yeah, she's from Australia. I just looked at the phone number and like, I know those numbers. And it was sent to me via her website. I purchased it from there. So we are going to swap over cameras now and go through the Art of Kundalini, and it is a 42 card deck. Okay, so let's get into the Art of Kundalini Oracle, and this is 42 cards by Anna Bartz. Now, I purchased this deck in 2019. I have been trying to catch up on all of my reviews, so hence the reason why 2 decks a week have been going up on my channel. This kind of got a little bit bent in the the mail, but that's okay. Gorgeous. I am peace. So artofkundalini.com, and then we have Explore the Gentleman. That might be one of the cards. Could be. It's a different shape. It's a different size. And then the business card for Anna. I got a organza bag. Pink organza bag. Organza. Sounds so Australian. Got an organza bag, everybody. And this is the box. So it comes flat packed so that it is less postage, which is very smart because this did come all the way from Australia. So you can easily put your box together, which is very clever. This is an indie deck. So that's the box. You saw me put that together, and you can download the guide to the deck, which the link is on the back. Okay, so I have my trusty scissors off screen, so you wouldn't have to watch me try very hard to get it open but not pierce anything. I remember having this Kickstarter campaign that I backed, and the box came, and like I opened it, I put the scissors in, and I actually scored the whole front. I like dragged the scissors to open the box to cut the tape, and I scored the entire book, hardcover book, this long line. I didn't cut it, but I scored, and I was like I had to learn that lesson the hard way. Like I never do that again. So we have this beautiful artwork on the back. It's a pale blue. Hopefully you can see that with the camera there. It's a lovely oracle size. It's a little bit smaller. I'd say like a scooch smaller than, because that is an actual way to measure something. Scooch. It is. Totally. Then like the Hay House cards, it's a lovely cardstock. That's got to be maybe even 400 for the size. It's a beautiful thick cardstock, and it has that glossy finish.
So you are beautiful, and as you can see, it's got borders. Oh, what is Kundalini? I started the other way. So, okay, what is Kundalini? So we have this card explaining Kundalini from the viewpoint of Anna. And then we have a note from the artist. Thank you for loving yourself enough to open this box of cards. And then we get into it. So there's a couple of instructional cards. You are beautiful. Become your goddess. I saw this, I think I said it in the first part of this video. I saw this on Instagram and I really loved the artwork. Feel your oneness. Oh, that's beautiful. Stretch and heal. Commit to yourself. Lots of spirals. I love all the spirals. This is watercolor from an ink from what I can. Tend your inner fire. From what I can see with the artwork. Embrace yourself entirely. That's beautiful. Reminds me very much of a Gemini energy, that one. Or that solar plexus energy as well, that yellow. Meet your soul in nature. I feel like that sums up a lot of how I feel about nature. I meet my soul there. Unless it's spiders, because they scare the crap out of me. Your spirit is merging. Beautiful artwork by Anna. Open your window. Let the light move through. Sexual energy is a God energy. So I really feel like anyone who's exploring their sensual side, working with Kundalini energy or Tantric energy, allow the wind to carry you. Oh, I love that. That's a beautiful card. Will really benefit from this deck and working with it. People who are doing relationship readings or like rekindling the flame readings, your ideas are worthy. Would also find benefit from this, working with this deck. Allow timing to be divine. Oh my gosh. That message has come up so many times today. It is crazy. Oh, and of course we have a big truck on the outside. Absorb your musical universe. Find it in your dreams. Oh, I love that. Embrace the masculine power. Lovely to have some masculine messages. Joy and innocence becomes you. Really gorgeous. Stillness beckons, nature speaks. Take command of your energy. Really great message there. It looks like a Tai Chi movement. That one, a Tai Chi pose. Not that I know much about Tai Chi, but it does look like it. Abundance flocks to you. Yes, what a fabulous card. Love a good abundance flocking to me. And to you, and to you, and to you, and to you. Abundance can flock to everybody. You are the color of your world. Oh, that's gorgeous. Integrity is magnet to your success. Yes, that is true. Integrity is pretty much everything. Angel you, spread your wings. Stand tall and speak out. You are this mysterious universe. That's gorgeous too. In perfect alignment, you are crystal. Little fishies. Experience a surge of sensuality. Face to face, you are the answer. That's a great one too. As we often say, the answers are found within. Cleanse, soothe, revitalize. Play, honeybee, this is your life. Oh, I love this. So great. We all know how much I love bees. Energy combined, a powerful force. Find your breath and balance in all things. Also, people who do yoga and meditation may find a lot in this as well. You are the star of your dream. It's true, living for yourself and putting those desires first and foremost, as long, you know, obviously taking care of your stuff too. You flourish in your surrender. I love that. Surrender is a difficult one I'm a bit of a control freak. I'm getting better at that one, but that's a hard lesson to learn. You are delightful. Oh, well, thank you so much, card. You're delightful too. Just in case anybody who's watching this needs a reminder, you are bloody delightful. You are a delight. Take your seat of magnificent now. One of my favorite quotes of all time. I used to have it on my door on a little quote card when I was a teenager. Is from Angelica Houston, and it says, "Never mind being popular, just be magnificent." And I was like, if that is not the best way to use that word, I don't know. From the most amazing woman. Yes, magnificence. Open now and receive the energy. Aww, it's gorgeous. And generosity of spirit is the key to your shine. It's a gorgeous one too. So obviously we have a lot of, oh, that's the cover art too. Obviously we have a lot of bodies in this, and I mean, I love it. Lots of different body shapes, abstract bodies, bigger bodies. You know, some people have an issue with bodies being in decks. I don't. We're all born with one. We all born naked and the rest is drag. So I've got no problem with it at all. I know that might be a concern to some people. Often I find like the things that we maybe feel a little, you know, like we don't immediately find that we're attracted to, like say you don't like nudity in your cards. Like there's maybe something in there for you, you know, diving into that kind of shadow aspect. It shuffles really nicely. It does have that little bit of stick sometimes that gloss comes, but fanning powder or just working, I think I'm going to do this one, or working with it a little bit will make it a lot easier to shuffle, but it shuffles really nicely. And we have Meet Your Soul in Nature. What was this one? And Stand Tall and Speak Out. So I got two. So as I mentioned before, there is a guidebook that you can go and download once you purchase the deck. And yeah, what a gorgeous collection of Anna's art as well. It's just so beautiful. Really bright and vibrant and yeah, really gorgeous. So this has been The Art of Kundalini, 42 cards by Anna Bartz. I will pop in the description below where you can go and support her and find her work. And as always, my lovelies, thank you so very much for watching.